Okay, boys and girls, today is June 25, 16:09 hours. I'm just starting here because there's just too many things to move around. Put that back in your pocket. Come on, get in your pocket. Watch me. Okay, so I'm pointing the thing at my 32-inch screen in the bedroom. Anyway, just here I am. So, just really why I'm in here is to show these couple right here. These are in the box, okay? I'm not saying new in the box, they're just in the box, but they're pretty darn close to being new, okay? And then I've got that one up there. And now I'm just going to transition to the other room because I've already shot this room 10,000 times. Alright, so I'm not selling those, so there we go, fully wide out, okay. And then like that, so much for that. So just once again, just wasting a minute of, okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go into here. Okay. Now close this door. Okay. Good. Close that door. So now we're in this room. Oh God, just not enough room to do everything. So here I am. Okay, so now what I want to do is I got the remote. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the bathroom so I have enough focal length. Right. Okay, so now that, like that, I want to sit there and hopefully do this like I want to try and do this. Okay, so let's see here. Alright, that's great. So now, alright, so earlier today, let's see, earlier today I fixed this radio here. Alright, so yeah, just sit here and that'll work. So earlier today I fixed this radio, which is a, oh, I hope I got this right. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, yeah, I fixed that radio. That's too far. Having too much fun here, right? So, okay, so that's pretty good right there. Alright, so I fixed this radio. This has been sold. I gotta pack it up and ship it out. As soon as I finish making this video, I'm not going to take the time to. Now I do have this one here in the box. This is in nearly pristine. It's not new, but it's new in the box. Okay, it's been out of the box, but it's pristine. I need $220 for this. All right, sorry, that's shipped. Okay, nothing wrong with it. Works perfectly. And then, just for giggles, I have a what do I have here? I have a, this is a Panasonic, what is this? 4930, okay? And it's got tone, balance, and volume, and cassette radio, and it works, alright? And then I have the 3940, which is the same thing, except it just doesn't have a balance control. It has everything else, alright? Great. Then, what else? Let's see here. Then I got, what is this? Oh, that, we don't need to say that. Okay. Alright, here is a 6035, and I started working on this a long time ago, and I put the knobs elsewhere. They're out in the box on the thing, and just haven't got time to yammer about that. But it's in, missing this, I don't know if it works. I can't remember. It's been so long. I had three of these. Had three of these digital ones. I sold one, I gave one to someone else when they bought a different radio. And then I have this one here. This one's complete. It last worked the last time I played it. I don't remember. It's a long time ago. This is the analog version of the exact same thing. Alright? Enough of that. Then I have this one here, but one channel is out. And that's all I need to say. It's a 4975 Sanyo. Okay? Okay. Then we spoke about this little red Iowa CS230, okay, and I repaired the end of it in another video years ago, and it's still there, but this doesn't work, which is this, the switchable whatever, who cares, but everything else works. Here is a Iowa 300. Okay, just going through my Iowas. These are my small little boxes. And then that's Iowa 300. This is a Iowa 210. Okay, and the Iowa, oh shucks. Well, I don't know if the 300 does, but this one has line in. It has aux in, but line in. It's in stereo. Okay. So there's a 230, the red one. And then this one is a 200, I think. Yeah, 200 says so right on the front. Okay, so it's got line in as well. Okay, it's missing the happy little, who cares, right? It works. You know, people got to have those little switch cap cops things. What is this? I just showed it. Okay. Now I need to, I guess, move the chair over. Right? Move the chair over, and let's see. So move the chair over. What do I want to show next? Okay. So then I've got, here's a Sony CFS W50, I think it's called. And then I have a, yesterday I showed the other one, but I have two of these, right? And both of these have line in. Okay, hard to explain how that works, but they're, oh, I'm showing the back of it. Okay, I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, and so here's that. This one looks like that, okay? All right, so that back up here, all right? Then, let's see here. Good grief. Here's a FW18, right? So FW18 looks like that. Okay. All right, that's a Panasonic. What else? I have a FM25. I've been forever looking for the tuning knob to this thing, so tape deck works, but can't tune the radio. So it's in good condition, has all its parts, just missing the cotton picking tuning knob, right? So much there. And then I have a fascination with these smaller radios. So this is a Panasonic FM30, okay? And the only difference between the FM30 and the FM25 is in the, this has a balance control, whereas the other one doesn't have a balance control. That's the only difference. And then the other thing is that the these here, this takes D batteries as opposed to C batteries. And I bought that because I thought that having, and I have, let's here, set that down. Okay, I have two of these, all right? So here's two of them, right? Two FM30s, okay? And then, I have this Hitachi thing. It got broke a long time ago and came apart, and anyway, just too many things there. Hopefully I can fix it one day. I don't know if I can. Alright, so what else I wanted to show us here? Okay, so now I have this massively heavy, very heavy Sony, whatever this is, Sony, I don't know what this thing is. Anyway, it's a Sony. It's a massive thing. I haven't worked on it, but it's just a big thing. Alright, so where the hell did that come from? Oh, okay, well, let's go up there. Great. Then I have this Sanyo. It just happens to be handy. Wasn't what I wanted to show, but there's a Sanyo. Okay. And then, let's see, so, was that it? I don't know, just, what did I do with that? Okay, here's, again, this one here is, got a tape in here, so if I hit play, it's got that, and then of course you put it on radio. Right at the top.
On order.
Tune the radio. That works, but I gotta, whoops. I had to ship this off today. It's been sold. And that's pretty much just the small Panasonic models that I have. That's all I know. Let me get the camera again and just wave it around, because I tried to get most of the Panasonic small ones that I have, and I just don't have that many small Panasonics anymore, which is why I want to keep the F20. That's not for sale. That's not for sale. The sound design, that's not for sale. Okay, you can ask, but I'm going to tell you, a ridiculous price. So there's the F4 in a box. Here's the, oh here, okay. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Here's the F4 in a box, and yes, those are a couple of GF9000s in the box back down there, and then there's the TV thing. I didn't get it out, but there it is. Okay, another 10-minute video, much to do about whatever. And then there's just so many more. I didn't bring my flashlight headset with me, so I'm in here in the dark. And let's see, I also have I keep forgetting about this. I have a Panasonic 3-piece box, CT900 in the box, and underneath it, and that I can't even wait. I can't. Where'd it go? It's on top. That's a Sony Discman. Okay, no, we're not going there. Okay. I have a Sony CF580. I have an Iowa 945. And I have a Sanyo 9930. And then I have the Panasonic RX-466S in this box. Here's a, whatever that is. And that and that. And then these I'm working on, and that's all I wanted to show you. So I gotta stop doing this, pack that up, ship it out today, and then there's that little Sharp twin cam thing, the red one there. All right, so I just wanted to. Well, here I can just. I don't know. All right, I had too much fun. I gotta. Started working. Just having too much fun. Good day, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. I have too much fun. Bye bye. 12 minutes. Bye.